Hey guys, welcome back to another one. In today's video, I'm going to be turning the Clash Royale logo into a horror Clash Royale logo. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get into it. So once I had my logo in Photopea here, I went into the filter, camera raw, and this is just color grading. So I just played around, brought the exposure down, which darkens the photo, which definitely gives it that eerie feeling. Same thing with the contrast, darken that up, bring down the highlights, up the shadows, darken the shadows darken the whites, and darken the blacks a little bit. There we go. I also think that giving it a little bit of warm temperature gives it that eerie, creepy feeling as well. Give it a little bit of saturation, bring down the vibrance, give it some texture, make it a little more hazy. I think this looks pretty good for the color. Now for the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead in my brushes here, and I downloaded a blood splatter package brush. And I'm just going to take a couple of these, bring them down, make sure my color's on a nice red. Now I'm just going to splatter blood all over the place here. Just splatter it a little bit on each one. Go and pick out a different brush. Bring down the size quite a bit here. All over. Perfect. I think that looks really good. Now let's add some text. I'm gonna go into blending options on the text. Go to outer glow. Add a nice red glow to the words here. Looks really good. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. I really like that. I'll add a drop shadow. I think that looks pretty eerie to me. Here is the finished product, and if you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure you hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.